how to remove see options on Facebook friend request. So if you want to remove see options on Facebook friend request, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Facebook application. After that, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now go with your profile, which will be in the bottom, and go with the upper left, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Now go with settings and privacy and tap on settings. Now under settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then you will find an option of audience and visibility. Under there, you need to go with how people find and contact you. Now you need to go with who can send you friend request, and here you will have 2 options, which is everyone and friends of friends. So you just need to simply go and select everyone. Now go back to your previous page, but make sure that you've selected save, which will be on the bottom. Now you need to scroll down and you will find an option of profile and tagging. Just go back and here tap on profile and tagging. Now here you can customize different options of viewing and sharing, and tagging at the very top. You can see the option who can post on your profile. Tap on it. Click on friends. Make sure that you've set it to friends. There's also a second option, which is who can see what others post on your profile. So you need to select that and then make sure that you've selected everyone. Now go back to your home page. Click on settings again on your device. After that, scroll down a bit and go with apps. Under apps, you need to go with manage apps. And from manage apps, you need to go with search. And here you need to search for Facebook. After searching for Facebook, tap on it. And go with clear data, which will be in the bottom right, and tap on clear cache. Now tap on OK. And now you can just simply go and restart your device and your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.